Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create email signature in Canva. So first of all you need to come up to this site canva.com, and right here on this window you need to click on templates, which you can see at the left hand side. Now here in the search bar we need to type email signature, and you'll see thousands of templates. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Like the ones without crown and currency sign are for the people who wanna create their email signature for free. Like you can see there is no currency and crown sign, so we can use this for free. So you just need to explore all these templates, and whichever you like you can just use that. So let's say for this video I like this one, I can just click on it, and yeah, you can see under it we can see couple of more templates. Now you can explore them too, but let's for the sake of this video I'll just go with this one. So for now I'll need to click on customize this template, and the template will be open on canvas. So from now you can do any changes you want. Like I want to change the name, so I can just double click on the name and type my name here. Okay, then here you need to just type your role. I'll just type here YouTuber in search category. Similarly you can change the phone number. Like I just need to double click on it and just type the phone number like this. Now let's say you want to remove anything from this. I want to remove the location, so I can just click on this object, and I have this dustbin icon which is for delete, so I can just click on it and the item will be deleted. Similarly we can just click on this and click on delete. Now we want to move this upward, so for that we need to just highlight this by using the mouse, and we have this icon. So hold your left click here and just drag it upwards just like this. And now the main thing, how to change the picture. So for that we need to click on the picture and just click on delete again. Click on delete image. Now we need to upload our image, so for that click on uploads, click on upload files, and just choose the image you wanna upload here. I wanna put my image which is in the sample data folder. So the image I wanna put there is this one, so I just need to double click on this image and the image will be uploaded here. So now in order to put this image inside this circle, we just need to drag this and just put it here, and you can see the image is successfully changed. Now not only that, you can change the background color too. So for that you need to click on the background. You'll see this color, just click on this and just choose any color you like. Let's say I go with this gray color, and on this box I'll choose something like black. Once you're done with the changes, it's time for us to download this. For that just click on share, click on download, and instead of downloading it in PNG format we need to download it on PDF, because if you go with the PNG one the quality will be so lower and your image will be blurry, so we don't want that. So we'll just go with PDF standard and click on download. Once the downloading is done, just go to the folder where you have downloaded this file. It will be in my download folder, and yeah, this is the PDF. So just we need to open it up. Now you can just zoom this a bit like this and just hit Windows Shift plus S from your keyboard to open this tool. The tool only open in Windows operating system, so if you're using Windows operating system this is going to be easier for you, but if you're using any device you can just take the screenshot of this and just crop that image. So we can just take the screenshot of this particular part by using the tool. Once it is taken, just click on it and just click on this save icon. I'm gonna save it on the sample data folder and just click on save. Now close it. Now it's time to upload the signature. So for that we have to click on this plus icon to open the new window and type here Gmail. Click on this one. Let's click on gear icon and see all settings. Scroll a bit and you'll see the option signature. We have to click on create new. You can name your signature. I'll just type for the video ABC and just click on create. You can enter the signature here, but since we got the image, so we're gonna upload that. For that just click on insert image option here, click on Google Drive, click on upload, browse and choose the signature. This is the one, double click on it, and here we need to click on allow. And yeah, you can see the image is successfully uploaded here, and we have to click on the image and make it a bit something like medium or large depending on your image. So it is looking good. I'll just leave it as it is here. Now if you want to show your signature to new emails use, so you can just set that to your signature. Similarly if you wanna like show your signature to on replies or forward use, you can just set that to your signature and just scroll it. You will see the option save changes. Click on that and your signature is successfully uploaded. So that's how you can create signature on Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.